Three-man panel of justices at the Federal Court of Appeal in Enugu State have upheld the decision of the lower high court that had earlier sentenced a staff of Guaranty Trust Bank, GTBank, Onyekachi Nwosu to 7 years imprisonment in line with the enacted Nigeria law of failed banks or recovery of debts and financial malpractices act, which the convict fraudulently used the property of one Mrs Adebimpe Foluke to apply and disburse 50 million naira's loan into the savings account of GTBank customer and withdrew 40 million naira's of the money from the beneficial savings account for his personal use. This is coming at a critical period. Many Nigerians are doubting the credibility and integrity of GTBank management after a popular human rights activist, Martin's Vincent Otse aka VeryDarkMan, was arrested last Friday at the exit gate of GTBank branch in Abuja by the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission, EFCC, when the activist went with his mother to seek clarification over apparent unauthorized constant savings withdrawals as loan repayments from his mother's savings asset with the bank, with the activist's mother saying she never took loan from the bank, and EFCC arresting and releasing VeryDarkMan after almost 5 days in detention without specifically stating the alleged offense or offences committed by the activist may have created room for some level of insinuations in certain quarters that sees GTBank management as people probably using the state security assets to commit act of criminal intimidation and oppression of complainers to cover up the bank's suspected loan fraud and financial malpractices. According to EFCC news release made available about an hour ago, the Enugu Division of the Court of Appeal has upheld the conviction and 7 years prison sentence of one Onyekachi Nwosu, a former employee of Guaranty Trust Bank, for his commission of over 50 million naira loan fraud. Nwosu was prosecuted by the Enugu Zonal Directorate of the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission, EFCC, on a 9-count charge, bordering on forgery and obtaining by false pretense to the tune of 50 million naira, and was convicted and sentenced by Justice R.O. Dugbo Oghoghori of Federal High Court, sitting in Independence Layout, Enugu, on January 14, 2021. The convict, who was an account officer of one Anyaso Shindu, owner of Floxy Aluminum Odiophil Products Limited, used a forged document titled An Application to Mortgage, Consent to Mortgage and Tripartite Legal Mortgage, to deceive GTB into believing that one Mrs Adebimpe Foluke pledged her